Alright, welcome once again to another episode of Math Phobia series. Alright, don't forget, the aim of all this is to rekindle the love for mathematics in the hearts of students and to make them understand that math is very, very simple. Alright, now let's delve into today's question. So we have AP and GP, another aspect of math that many students run away from. But let's watch how we deal with this in the simplest, I'm using the simplest means and methods possible. Alright, let's see. The first step of an arithmetic progression is 2. So, from the question, we know that what we're dealing with is an arithmetic progression. Okay, so we have that the first step symbolized, so this is an arithmetic progression. We've concluded that in our mind, alright? AP. So, we agree that the first term is 2, symbolized as A, the first term. Now, and the last term is 29. So we're given the first term and the last term L to be 29. Okay, what are we looking for? If the common difference is 3, the common difference symbolized as D is 3. Don't forget, common difference is the number we add to a preceding number to get the next number. For instance, if you have the numbers, if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you observe closely, you see that the numbers are increasing by 1. How do I know? What will I add to 1 to get 2? That's 1. I'll get 2. What will I add to 2 to get 3? 1. What will I add to 3 to get 4? 1. What will I add to 4 to get 5? 1. So we see that the numbers, they are increasing according to a pattern. And the number we add to each preceding number to get the next number is 1. That number we call it the common difference. And how do we get number? We can use the second term minus the first term, or we say the third term minus the second term, or we say the fourth term minus the third term, so on and so forth. Alright, so let's really go to our question. How many terms are in the AP? So we are looking for n, which is the number of terms in the AP. Now don't forget the general formula for AP, arithmetic progression, for finding the nth term of an arithmetic progression. The formula is Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1D. Okay, now we have A on the board, n, we're looking for n, we have D, but something about L. That shows that our Tn will take the position of our L. Okay, our L becomes our Tn. So this formula can be modified in such a question as L equals to A plus n minus 1D. Tn, the n term, is taking the place of the last term. The last term is equal to the n term, the Tn symbol here. So we have, let's fix in our values into the formula, and let's get our value for n, the number of terms in the AP. So we have L 29, we have A 2, we have plus n minus 1, common difference 3. So what do we have? Okay, so we have 29 equals 2, we open bracket here, 3 times n, we have 3n minus 1 times 3 minus 3. So we collect like terms. We have 29. This is plus 2. When it comes here, it becomes minus 2. This is minus 3. When it comes here, it becomes plus 3. When it crosses over the equality sign to the other side, it becomes plus 3, equals 3n. So what do we have? 29 minus 2, that is 27. 27 plus 3, that will give us 30. So we have 30 equals to 3n. We'll divide both sides by 3. We'll have 3 here, 1, 3 in 30, 10. So our number of terms in the AP is what? 10. Alright, please like and share this video so that many students that are having difficulty solving questions like this will find it easy. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. So our option C, 10, is the correct answer. Thank you.